Okay guys, well it's go time. We're going to take off, do a little adventure. We are going to head down to Nevada. There's a little town down there where they have some casinos and stuff. So we're going to go down there and spend the night. I'm going to take my Harley Road Glide. I've got that all packed and ready to go. My son has a Suzuki M50 and my brother-in-law has a Fatboy. So I've got tools, both metric and standard, for both of us. And like I say, I got my bags packed and ready to go. And we start the video a little bit early. My son had to do a few things to his bike before the trip. His clutch was slipping, and it actually was slipping pretty good on the way back. So he's probably gonna need a new clutch. It's about at the end of the adjustment on that. But he did what he could. We got new plugs in it. Did the whole, I don't know, we did radiator flush and a few other things. But anyway, so now all we have to do is just sit around and wait for the guys to show up. And before I forget, so about the first 5 minutes of the video, my camera took a dump on the way out, and my son's we couldn't get it adjusted right, just the way the mount was. So if you can get through the first 5 minutes after that, things clear up pretty good. I will say we didn't get as much footage at the casino as we wanted to. Just, you know, we were having a good time and just didn't film a whole bunch, but try to get enough of the journey just to give you the idea. So anyway, with those things being said, if nothing else, I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you find it entertaining. See you in a bit. Ready for the road trip, sucker? You ready? You ready for the road trip, sucker?
Yeah.
You made it.
Did you bring a lighter for the cigar? Okay. Stretch my freaking legs. Oh. Oh. Look how far that thing goes, dude. I know, into freaking abyss, dude. Here you go, Buttercup. You're welcome. My hand's warm. Yeah. I'll give her a bottle of water too. Let me see Tim which one. You want a water?
I still have a little bit of the other one. Thank you, though.
My finger. There we go. Here you go.
You guys feel that nice little gust of wind that changed directions there?
Oh, yeah.
One side than the other, dude.
Yep. Yeah, it was blowing left to right. Then we came around that bend, it went right to left.
Yeah, I was like crazy.
I'll fold that up in a second. We got a drink.
You doing okay back there?
What?
You doing okay back there?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Okay.
What about you guys?
Doing good.
Whoa.
Yeah, I was getting thirsty and thought it's a long stretch, so I better get a drink now.
Oh, I killed mine. Oh, the kickstand's down. Yeah, we're good. usually park. I usually park on the right side. You can head over to that side if you want, though. We'll pull right up next to Tim's. Hopefully these guys don't hit my bike with their freaking door. You know. Oh. Oh. Oh, cramp. Oh. Oh, there's a bunch of other bikes over there. Damn.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Whew.
Think I can get my bike through here?
What?
Think I can get my bike through here?
Oh, easy.
Hey?
That's what I was telling them. I was like, you could do it. I'm like, I'll spot you.
All right, well, it's next morning. It's gonna be a long ride back on those bikes. We were up so late last night. I lost, I don't know, $100 I think. And my buddy, he lost a lot. The Christian lost like, I don't know, 20 or something, I don't know. It was a good time, but wow. Yeah, it's gonna be a long ride back. Here's the room. Kind of trashed right now. Oh. So, we're just gonna wait for him to hop out of the shower, get dressed. We're gonna go get some breakfast and some coffee. It's supposed to be really nice today. Let's see what it looks like out the window. Sunny, warm, beautiful. Okay, let's do this. Go here, the Chevron, and then we turn left. I think we hop right on the freeway from right here. So you gonna pull up by me? Yeah. Oh, dude. I would have had to go back for that.
I'm gonna go buy me a squeeze bottle with a, with a drink, like a water bottle with a little.
Yeah.
So while we're riding, I can just grab a drink.
Yeah, sounds good.
You guys want one?
I'd do it. Yeah, probably.
All right.
Thanks, man. Thanks, brother.
Tim ready? So we're gonna turn left out of this parking lot. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this way and up. I about rolled my bike right there. Okay, we good. Okay, Tim's good. Okay. All right. Tim behind you. Okay. Yeah, it's not too windy. Yeah. Yeah, they're up his butt. In my thing here. Had to find the bathroom. Oh, dang, dude.
Oh wow! I'm gonna throw some JB Weld on it and call it good.
He's got another one on here that's good, but okay. You guys ready?
Oh, oh. Damn, put your legs down. Oh. 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 Yeah.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh. Oh.
See that line right there?
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'll ever be able to stand up straight again. Oh.
Well, as you can see, we made it back safe and sound. Everybody's wiped out though. It was a long, hot ride back, but we made it. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't, doesn't matter. Catch you later.